Hello everyone, myself Dimple and I'm very glad that you are watching my video. Our today's topic is linear equation in two variables, which is of a 10th standard first chapter of algebra. Now what does it mean? Here you can see two variables. I can check any variable from any of the alphabet. And for linear equation, we have to think about that degree of each term should be 1. Now for this, I have some more example. Like you can see here, 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. Is it a linear equation? Yes. The reason is, I should have two variables, which I can see here, and their degree should be 1. That means an m or n should have 1 degree only. Here next question is 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. Is it a linear equation? No. Reason is, my variable x has degree 2. And here the third one, it's also not. Why? Because whether they have a 1 degree only, but their variable should be at a different place with a different constant. It should not be together. Now, coming to the standard format, this is what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. For explanation, I have one example. 3x is equal to 4y minus 12. If I have to write it in a standard format, the standard format says that all of the term with its constant should be to the left hand side of a equal. So here to the left hand side of a equal, I have only 3x. So one thing is that 4y minus 12 should also come to the left hand side. So I have written 3x. When I am transferring this 4y, it will become, their plus will become minus, and when I am transferring minus 12, it will become plus. So it all came to the left hand side of a equal. It become my standard format. Now coming to the next part. Here are some of the steps I have written how to solve it. We'll do one by one when coming to the question. Here it's my simultaneous equation. My question is x plus 7y is equal to 12 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. So my first step is I have to choose any one of the variable. Whether it is x or whether it is y, I have to choose any one of the variable to make their constant equal. So here I am choosing my x variable and I can see their variable is 1 and there is 3. So I have to make them equal. How? By multiplying method only I can do this. So here I can know that if there is 3, I can make them 3 by multiplying. So my next step says that by multiplying first equation by 3. I have written my first equation. I am multiplying by 3. It will multiply to the whole equation. I get my answer 3x 21y is equal to 30. It becomes my third equation, which is nothing but a converted part of the first one. So for me, second equation and third equation is only have the importance. So I am writing here my second equation and my third equation. As I have chosen my first variable and I make their constant similar, my second step says that I have to check their sign. They both have the plus sign. As there is nothing, we assume that there is a plus sign. When my both of the sign is similar, as you can see here, my step, if I have a similar sign, I have to do subtraction. If I have a different sign, I have to do the addition. This is a simple rule. And while subtracting, our sign will get changed. If it has a plus, it will become minus. And if it is a minus, it will get plus also. So here, I am putting here, you can check that this one, I have to focus on this only. Their sign is similar. So what to do? Subtraction. By subtracting, their sign will get changed. Minus. This plus will become minus and this plus will also become minus. This both will get cancelled as plus and minus will get cancelled. Here I have minus 2y, here I have minus 21y. This minus minus will get plus. We got our 23y. This plus 7 in minus 30. This plus minus minus will get 23. And the best part which I have to tell you right now, please listen very carefully, is that once I got my answer, please go and check your sign also. Whenever you are adding or subtracting and you're getting your answer, go to the bigger number also and check their sign. Their sign is minus Here also bigger number sign is minus. So this sign only I have to use here. Once I got y, by this multiplication of minus 23 will come to the division part. I got my answer 1. I'll substitute this y is equal to 1 in equation 1. X plus 7y is equal to 10. X 7 y is equal to 1. Y got 1. X plus 7 y is equal to 1 is equal to 10. X plus 7, 10 plus 7 will come here to the minus. I'll get my answer x is equal to 3. So our answer become x and y, that is 3 and 1. So the solving simultaneous equation, you have to focus on this step only. You will never get any mistake. Now coming to the second question. This is also a simultaneous equation, but it's just a different part. As you can see in the question only, 99x and 101y is equal to 499 and 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Here the question says that x variable will come to the y place and y variable will come to the x place. This is the difference in a question only. So what to do? There is only two parts, that is addition and subtraction only. Once we will add this both of the equation. So by adding them, I got 200x, 200y and 1000. As they both have 200, I took them common. Then by this multiplication part, I will divide and I'll get my answer. This was my first part and got my third equation. And second, what I have to do? I have to subtract. So by subtracting both of the equation, I will get my minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 2. As here is minus 2, I will divide whole the term with my minus 2. So I'll get my answer x minus y is equal to 1. This becomes my fourth equation. So both the equation, third and fourth, I have written here. Third equation and fourth equation. This become my simple question like simultaneous equation. I'll solve it with my all of the step. Like my first step was to check any one of the variable. I have chosen my x variable and I have to make them similar constant also. As their constant is already 1, nothing is here then. Already they are similar. So next step is I have to check their sign also. Their sign is plus here. So whenever their sign is similar, I have to subtract. I am subtracting here by changing their sign. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus and plus will become minus. So it will get cancelled as plus minus. This plus y and this plus y become 2y. 5 minus 1, 4 become 4. And similar method y. I will subtract here. I got my answer y is equal to 2. I will substitute this answer in any of the equation. I am substituting in fourth equation. X minus y is equal to 1. Y place there is 2. It will come to this place, become plus, and I will get my answer 3. So my solution become x and y, 3 and 2. So here I'll again explain you. Then whenever the question of this types comes in your exams, there if x and y is constant become interchanged to the next equation. So this is the only step you have to follow by adding ones, by subtracting ones, and once you got your equation, you have to solve them simultaneously. So you will get your answer. So this was the first part of the 10th standard, first chapter algebra. Soon I'll be posting second part also with more explanation. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe the like button and like my channel and share it if you like what I do. Thank you. Stay blessed.